Steven is a reverse engineer. His daily job is to investigate the functionality of an executable file. He needs to complete the analysis without having the source code. In general, his job consists of 4 basic steps. In the first step, Steven receives a binary file of integers. Then the binary is translated by some tool into assembly code functions. Assembly code can be considered as a human-understandable form of machine language. The third step is analysis. He tries to read and understand each assembly function line by line. At the end, he puts some comments on it. However, this process is time-consuming and manually intensive, and the number of binary files need to be analyzed is considerably increasing. Take malware for example. 83,000 new malwares were generated per day in 2013. In 2014, this number raised to more than 200,000 per day. Thus, Steven got tons of binary files to analyze. Unfortunately, he starts losing his hairs. As the researchers in data mining, we cannot reverse the hair losing process. What can we do for him? Introducing Camino. Camino is an assembly code clone search engine for the reverse engineers. It significantly reduces the manual effort of the analysis process. Here's Camino. It contains a repository contributed by reverse engineers. Reverse engineers can index their analyzed assembly functions and the corresponding comments into the repository. They can index open source libraries as well. Let's see how Camino helps Steven. Given a binary file, the first step is the same. The binary is transformed into a list of assembly functions. Then Camino comes in. Camino searches for those functions that have been analyzed before. Now Steven can skip that. The next step is analysis. Given an unknown assembly function, Camino helps Steven by looking for partial clones. The query is the unknown assembly function. It can be represented as a control flow graph. Camino searches for its cloned subgraphs against the repository, as you can see in this example. The query consists of mainly 2 subgraphs from 2 different existing functions. Camino transfers their comments to the query. Now Steven can quickly understand the unknown function. We propose a variant of locality-sensitive hashing and incorporate it with graph search to ensure that Camino is accurate, efficient, and scalable to millions of assembly functions. Camino is available on GitHub. Check it out and leave a comment if you think it's interesting. Be sure to start it. Thanks.